Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Brevo to WooCommerce easily. If you're new to Brevo, start by signing up for a free account. And if you already have both Brevo and WooCommerce set up, just log in and follow along. To begin, you'll first need a Zapier account. Zapier helps you connect Brevo with WooCommerce and automate your tasks. Once you're logged in, go to the Zapier dashboard and click Create, then select Zaps to start building your automation. Next, choose Brevo and WooCommerce from the list of available apps. Fill in all the required details shown on the right side of your screen. If your Brevo account isn't already connected to Zapier, you'll see a Sign In button. Click it and you'll be asked for your API key. To find it, go to your Brevo account, click on your profile name, then navigate to SMTP and API and select API keys. Now click Generate a new API key, name it whatever you like, and copy the key. Paste it into Zapier and confirm by clicking Yes, Connect to Brevo. Now repeat the same process to connect your WooCommerce account. Enter your website URL, username, and password to complete the connection. Once both accounts are connected, take a moment to configure your automation settings as needed, for example, syncing customers or sending automatic emails. When you're done, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. Your automation between Brevo and WooCommerce is ready. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy for you. Thanks for watching.